Hello, welcome to Otitarfa TV. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 smoothie recipes with you. These smoothie recipes have a common ingredient, which is mango. This is mango season in Nigeria. So there's an abundance of mangoes, and one of the things I like to do with mangoes is to make smoothies. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome to the channel. Now let's start with the recipes. The first smoothie is a mango strawberry smoothie. This is actually my kids' favorite. We'll be using some frozen mangoes, frozen strawberries, unsweetened yogurt, some dates, and some coconut water to give it some sweetness. All the ingredients will be in the description. So we're going to put all the ingredients in the blender and blend until smooth. And that's it, guys. Our smoothie is ready. Just pour into a glass and enjoy. Please subscribe to the channel if not already subscribed. When you subscribe, please click on the notification bell and select the all options so that whenever videos are posted, you will get them. The next is a mango orange smoothie. It's made with frozen mango, unsweetened yogurt, some oranges, and some ginger. I like the flavor the ginger adds to mango smoothies. You can decide to use sweetened yogurt if you want, but I just wanted to keep the sugar low. Just put everything together in the blender and blend away. And there you have it. Our mango smoothie is ready. I think this is my favorite recipe. I just like to keep things simple. Pour it into a glass and enjoy. If you use mangoes that are not frozen or are not cold, then you have to put it in the fridge and cool it for a bit. The third smoothie is one I call a powerhouse of nutrients packed with antioxidants. I'm using some vegetables with the mango for this third smoothie, and I'm using carrots and beetroots. These two are packed with nutrients. They are really beneficial to you. Cut them up into small bits just to make the blending process easier. Are you a fan of beetroots? Let me know in the comment section your favorite way to have beetroots. Is it in a salad? Is it in smoothie? I prefer mine in smoothies. Let me know in the comment section. So we put the frozen mangoes in the blender. I put in the carrots and beets. Pour in some water. The amount of water you pour in will depend on the consistency you want. And we'll just blend it up until it is smooth. Oh, look at the color. I just love this. Our smoothie is ready now. Very easy to make. So smoothies are very easy to make. A quick way to put a lot of nutrients in your body without having to eat individual fruits or vegetables. Please give this video a thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.